Okay, let's talk about market positioning. This is a useful tool that can be used to visually analyze the position of a certain product, service, or even business vis-a-vis its competitors in the marketplace. So we are looking here at two attributes, price and quality. Okay, so quality, high quality, low quality, price, low price, high price. Let's say that Pouchin is here offering food that is low quality and low price, and let's say most of the food establishments in the CSB canteen are here, mid-range quality and mid-range price, and we say, let's say we have Smokies here, high quality and high price, the only establishment in this area. The question is this a good position for Pouchin? Well, that depends. If most of the market is here, say 70% of the students go for this type of food, then this is a good place for Pouchin to be. However, if most of the market is here, say 80%, maybe Pouchin should move on to this area as well. What about here? Here is another scenario. Let us suppose that 60% or let's say 80% of the market is here, and you only have 20% here, 20% of the market here. The movement of Pouchin to this area might be justified if they have high returns on the high price. Meaning to say, even if they are not able to sell a large volume of food items, if they can still meet their financial targets because of the high price with low volume, then probably this is a good place for Pouchin to be. But in order to justify that movement, of course, you have to look at the financial feasibility of positioning Pouchin here in the high quality, high price range along with Smokies.